Hi guys, welcome to the video. My name is Pushpinder Gill and let's go and do this question. Now this question is asking us what is the sum of prime numbers. So I have to calculate the sum of prime numbers which are actually greater than 60. So sum of prime numbers which are actually greater than 60 but they are actually less than 70, right? So basically I just have to find out how many prime numbers are there between 70 and 60. Right, so it's a mere addition problem rather than being applying any trick or applying any formula here. So the best thing over here is there's just 9 numbers that I have to take care. Better is to write all the 9 numbers here and then check which of them are prime and which of them are not prime. So I'm just gonna write them here like this, right? Okay, now is 61 prime? Yes. Is 62 prime? No. Is 63 prime? No. Divisible by 3. Is 64 prime? No. Is 65 prime? No. Is 66 prime? No. Is 67 prime? Yes. Is 68 prime? No. Is 69 prime? No. Right? So that means there are only these two numbers which are prime. That means the question is asking the sum of these numbers. That would be 67 and 61, which would be 128, right? So which is nothing but our answer option B, which is our answer. Now just to tell you that suppose everyone knows what a prime number is. A prime number is which has only two factors, number one and itself, right? So a prime number will have only two factors, number one and itself, right? So over here it has a factor of 2, 3, 2, 5, 3 again, 2 again, and 3 again. So these numbers are not prime, that's why, right? And understand guys, it's always better to be slow and right rather than being fast and wrong. So keep your scratch paper organized. That's the way to do it when it comes to GMAT. So don't forget to like us on facebook.com/perfectscores. Don't forget to give me your feedback on perfectscores89@gmail.com and explore more about us at perfect-score.com, right? So this was about the video guys. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.